Hi all, welcome to Nandhinis Recipe, and today is about a vlog to Auroville and not a recipe video. So let's get started. Auroville is created by Arabinda Ghosh and Mira Alfasa, who's called as the mother kindly in Pondicherry. So it is basically an experimental township, and significance about this township is people with different nationality, culture and belief live together in harmony and peace. So Arabinder, after participating in the World War, he decided to build this township, and he wanted to create peace among peoples with different nationality, culture and belief. So this was the main theme and idea behind this Auroville township. So inside the township there is a mandir called as Mat Mandir, which has lotus structure and which mainly focuses on meditation and yoga. On the way to Mat Mandir there are many banners which explains about the history of Auroville and when it came into existence. So Auroville came into existence in the year 1968. So inside the township there are many boutiques and many restaurants, and the boutiques will mainly focus on handmade dresses and crockery items and handmade soaps and medicinal oils, which are all prepared by the employees inside Auroville. Inside the Auroville, there is an exhibition center which explains about the importance of yoga and how it will help us to reach our goal. Definitely, it was a very good day, and I got information about yoga and how it helps us to be stable, and how it will help us to reach our goals. And it was really a good day with lots of informations. And definitely, if you are to Pondicherry, do visit this Auroville. And I couldn't go to the Mahatmandir temple. By the time I went to the Mahatmandir temple, it was closed. And definitely in my next upcoming videos I will try to share the temple as well. With this I will come with another interesting recipe in my next video. Thank you.